PCSO role is a very rewarding job. We provide visible presence in the community. Our main focus is to improve quality of life for the public. My main role is to tackle antisocial behaviour and to figure out ways of how to deal with local issues. By being out and about in the community, we focus on crime prevention by gathering intelligence. As a PCSO, we support police officers by doing tasks that may not require the experience or powers that officers have. A typical day as a PCSO would include foot patrol, community engagement, gathering intelligence and assisting officers. My favourite thing about being a PCSO is meeting people and building relationships within the community. My advice to anyone who's thinking about applying would be just go for it. I love my role, every day is exciting, you make the role what you want it to be.